Hello, dear students. How are you two all? I hope all of you feel good. Stay safe at home, children. Today, we are discussing about chapter number 1 and the name of the chapter is Know Your Planet. You know our planet. We all live on planet Earth and the name of our planet is Earth. Now let us read our chapter. Our Earth is a unique planet. It is the only planet in our solar system that has water and air. Our Earth has land masses and water bodies. The large land masses are called continent. The large water bodies are called ocean. Now let us talk about shape of the earth. In ancient time, people believed that earth was flat and had steeped shape. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round in shape. Pictures taken from the space have also proved that the earth is like a sphere. It is round but slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. Now, what we are discussing now? What is a globe? To study the earth, we need its model. A globe is a simple and accurate model of the earth. It shows the distribution of land and water on the surface of the earth. We can also see the correct shape, size and location of the continents and oceans on the globe. But we cannot always use a globe to study the earth. This is because a large globe, it is difficult to carry around. A globe is small and all the details of a place cannot be shown on it. We cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at a time of a globe. सिर्फ एक बार में आधा ही अर्थ हमें दिखाई देता है. So students, it is a picture of globe. There are 7 continents and 5 oceans in the world. Now let us talk about map. A map is a representation of the earth's surface or a part of it on a flat surface. The word map comes from the Latin word mappo, which means napkin. Gerardus Mercator, a Flemish map maker, was the first to publish a collection of maps in the form of a book. A book of map is called an atlas. एक जेरार्डस मैर्केटर फ्लैमिश मैप मेकर थे. इन्होंने a collection of maps publish करे थे in the form of book and that book is called a atlas. We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities and a neighborhood. You can draw a map of your school. आपके स्कूल का मैप भी बना सकते हैं and show all the details on it. In this way, map is better than globe. However, the earth is spherical, can be represented fairly accurately on maps. This makes maps useful tools to study the earth. So students, there are 2 types of maps. Let us talk about types of map. There are different types of maps. Physical maps show the physical features of a place such as mountains, plateaus, plains and rivers. That means in physical map it shows mountain, plateaus, plains and rivers. Physical features it shows. Then countries, states and their capitals are shown on political map. General information about climate and rainfall of a region is shown in climatic map. General information about climate की और rainfall की climatic map में मिलेगी. Beside these, there are maps that tell us about the industries, population, transport, minerals, crops, soils, natural resources and forest and wildlife of our region. Fact-wise, one of the earliest surviving globes is the Erdapfel or earth apple. It was made by Martin in 1492. George Gulkondan painted the map on the Erdapfel. Now reading maps. Map को कैसे read करते हैं? Map gave us a lot of information about a country or a place. Map lot of information देता है about our country or place. We must know how to read. हमें पता होना चाहिए हम कैसे read करें and understand the information it provide. जो map पे information provide की गई है उसे understand करना चाहिए. Every map has some basic feature. हर map के कुछ basic features होते हैं. They are as follows. Here one picture is this. The needle of the compass. It is a picture of compass. The needle of the compass always points towards the north direction. हमेशा compass की needle north direction में होती है. Hence we can easily find direction using a compass. हम compass से easily directions find out कर सकते हैं. Now let us talk about direction. All maps follow a system of direction. The four major directions are, you know very well, north, south, east, west. The top of the map is north. जो map के top में north direction. The bottom of the map is south direction जो नीचे की तरफ है. Then east is to right, west is to left. Okay, the other directions are then easy to find out. We know which compass which points towards the north direction, then the other directions are we can easily find out. We can also mark the four intermediate direction on a map. Four major direction के अलावा भी four intermediate direction होती है. Northeast lies between the north and east direction. Northeast north और east के बीच में है. Northwest is between the north and west direction. Southeast is between the south and east direction. Now let us talk about scale. It is not possible to show the actual size of the earth on a map because it is too large. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम शो कर पाए एक्चुअल साइज अर्थ का मैप से बिकॉज इट इज टू लार्ज. लेट अस सपोज दैट द ग्राउंड, अगर हम सपोज करें तो ग्राउंड से डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दिल्ली एंड आगरा इज 200 किलोमीटर. दिल्ली और आगरा 200 किलोमीटर. इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू शो दीज सिटीज एट 200 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम ईच अदर ऑन द मैप. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम मैप पे 200 किलोमीटर की सिटीज शो कर पाए. देयरफॉर दिस डिस्टेंस इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय स्मॉलर यूनिट से 5 सेंटीमीटर. इसलिए 5 सेंटीमीटर की यूनिट शो करते हैं मैप पे. द रेशियो बिटवीन द डिस्टेंस ऑन द ग्राउंड एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑन अ मैप इज नोन एज द स्केल ऑफ द मैप. In this case, we would write it as 5 centimeter is to 200 kilometer. Maps are always drawn to circle scale. Now let us talk about symbol. This is not enough space on a map to show mountains, rivers, lakes, bridges, dams, temples, churches and railway tracks. मैप पे इतनी भी स्पेस नहीं होती है कि हम माउंटेन, रिवर्स, लेक्स, ब्रिजेस, डैम्स, टेम्पल्स, चर्चेस, रेलवे ट्रैक्स शो करें. However, a map without this information would not be useful. अगर ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मैप नहीं दे रहा तो मैप हमारे काम का नहीं है. Different symbols are therefore used on a map to give us this information. डिफरेंट सिंबल्स यूज किए जाते हैं मैप पे जिससे हमें काफी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द लैंड बाउंड्रीज ऑफ अ कंट्री इज शोन बाय अ थिक डैश. जो लैंड बाउंड्रीज होती हैं उसे हम शो करते हैं थिक डैश से. एंड द डॉट्स इन ब्लैक, और ब्लैक से डॉट लगा देते हैं. इट शोज द लैंड बाउंड्रीज. अ सिटी इज मार्क्ड बाय अ स्मॉल सर्कल, और सिटी अगर मार्क करनी है तो हम स्मॉल सर्कल लगा देते हैं. So students, in this video, it is enough to you. Meet you in the next video.